Hello viewers, this is Mandar and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video we're gonna see all about unboxing Via 4K action camera which I recently purchased from Amazon Prime. And this camera is known for its 4K technology, and it's among the pioneers in 4K technology, as well as compared to GoPro and other action cam which are available in the market. So the reason behind purchasing this camera, it's good enough, and one step down if you consider to the GoPros what we have. So as you can see, post unboxing this box, these are some of the instruction manuals which we have. So this complete package, it comes with a 4K camera, a selfie stick, a Bluetooth remote control, and a USB drive. So guys, I have powered on my 4K camera. As you can see, it's set to 4K and it supports 30 frames per second. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and you can easily sync it with your phone. Currently I have not installed any SD card. It supports micro SD card, and best advice is to use class 10 micro SD card. Available modes are burst mode, slow motion. The one which I like is time lapse. You can also download the Via Action Cam utility from Google Play Store, wherein you can sync your photos, videos, as well as share it on the Via community as well. Overall performance of this camera has been satisfactory so far. The night vision photos, videos have been excellent. I hope guys you have liked this video so far, and do share your comments, likes and feedback, and do subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I would like to thank all my viewers for watching this video. Thank you.